Hello everyone. Good evening and welcome to the Education Hub Sitamarhi. Dear friends, first of all let me introduce myself. I am Praful Lekka. I was born in Madhya Pradesh and brought up to South India and did my studies in Bangalore. I have completed my MA in English from CMJ University, Meghalaya, and I have completed my philosophy from University of Dayton, America. And my dear friends, I have 7 years of teaching experience in communicative English or spoken English in different states of India such as Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Chhattisgarh, as well as in Bihar. And dear friends, we are going to start our first batch from tomorrow, that is 29th of June 2021, Tuesday at Sitamarhi. The venue is the best English classes. The venue is the best English classes. So dear friends, if you want a bright future, you can join us. And the batch starts from 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And how to improve or how to learn spoken English. Today I am going to give you some few tips how to learn spoken English. How to learn spoken English. The first one is train yourself to think in English. What does it mean? Train yourself to think. If you are a Hindi speaker, the first thing you will think in Hindi. If you speak Maithili, your first thing in your mind will come Maithili. That is our mother tongue tendency. So, the best way to learn English is first train yourself to think in English. That is the first way to improve in English. Train yourself not. Second one, speak a little English every day. Speak a little English every day. Let me give you an example. Speak a little English every day. Let me give you an example. A child is 1 year old or a year old. He listens. He imitates. He speaks little, small thing, little one. Just for example, mummy, daddy, come here, go there. So every day when we practice, because practice makes a man perfect. So first thing, second thing, speak a little English every day. Whether with your friends, with your parents, with your classmates, you can speak a little in English. Because if you speak a little, it does not matter whether you make mistakes, but try to speak. Don't hesitate. You try to speak in English so that your English knowledge will improve. Is work on your pronunciation. Work on your pronunciation. When you start speaking, you don't worry about others, what others think. Carry on so that your English will improve and your pronunciation becomes clearer, better, and one day you will become a successful person in your career. Pick up a small topic, for example, friendship. Just speak a few words about friendship, or just ask your friend in English, to tell him in English or discuss in English about your lesson, about everyday's activity, so that your English, the fluency of your English will improve a lot and you will succeed in your life. The fifth point I have written is watch English movies and TV shows. Watch English movies and TV shows. What does it mean? Once you start watching English movies, in the beginning you will find very difficult. You will not understand. But slowly you will surely understand. And for that I recommend you to watch cartoon shows. They provide you with very small sentences, logical sentences which you can understand. You watch it again and again and you practice yourself. You practice with your friends. You tell them, you talk to them. I know they will make fun of you, but never worry. Never worry. Never be discouraged what others say. And the last point I have, read an English book, newspaper or magazine. Read English books, newspapers or magazines, so that you can improve your reading skill. Same time you can carry a dictionary, so that whenever you find a difficult vocabulary, you can go through it and you can find out the meanings of that word. These were my few tips which could improve your spoken English. And today just I came to give my introduction, and tomorrow onwards we are starting our session, the first batch at the best English classes, Sitamarhi. So dear friends, if you really want to achieve success in your life, if you really want to grow yourself higher in English, you can come and join us at the best English classes. Let me assure you, you can learn fluent English, or you can learn to speak fluent English within 90 to 120 days. Thank you and have a great day. Love you all.